Interest rates are going down and also making a pressure on Edmonton real estate market. How so? Hi, it's Manny Bagga with the Bagga team from Royal Page Magna.
Hey, it's Shivani Bagga, and let's talk about what happened last month in Edmonton.
Well, that's a very important segment. I got so many phone calls and so many DMs on my personal social media platforms saying, Manny, how this interest rates are constant are going down, especially last month when it's 0.5% went down. It's also correlated on our Edmonton real estate market. So Shivani, let's see if those stats also speaking the same word at buyer or seller wanted to hear.
Absolutely. Let's take a deep dive, see what October has done. We all know interest rates have come down, but how are they impacting our residential real estate market? In total, our all residential market, the average selling price is currently sitting at $440,000. That's a month-over-month decrease of 0.1% and a year-over-year increase of 11.1%. So total, if we take a look at all residential properties from October of 2023 to October of 2024, they have gone up close to 11.1%. So it's a good thing. It means that when you purchased last year to now, A, you have made a return on your investment. But B, as a buyer's perspective, if you are starting to look at it, they're slowly starting to creep up those prices year over year. So for a lot of the buyers that are asking us, oh, I'm gonna wait till next year, the prices are gonna go down and the interest rates are gonna go down. Just a quick heads up, that was our stat from last year to this year. They're gone up 11.1%. Do we expect them to go any further down next year? I don't know, we may not be able to see that. So just so you guys are aware, prices are continually going up. Now let's jump into more of our categories. Our detached single families, the average selling price is sitting right now at $553,000. Month over month increase is 0%. So they have stayed exactly the same. However, year over year, our detached single family homes have been in high demand with an increase of 13.6%. Holy smokes. That's a big increase from last year to this year, especially for Edmonton, who typically sees a more healthier conservative growth rate. Jumping into our semi-detached properties, we have a selling price averagely sitting at $407,000, month over month decrease of 1.5% and a year over year increase of 5.6%. And our row homes and townhomes, the average selling price is sitting at $308,000, month over month increase of 4.9% and year over year, holy smokes, 19%. Wow. That has gone up year over year. If we take a look at our row homes and our townhomes, $309,000 our average selling price, close to 20% has gone up from last year to this year. Why? It's affordability. Edmonton has a very affordable market right now. So if you're watching from Vancouver or Toronto or Manitoba or Saskatchewan, and you're seeing how has our market gone from 20% almost up from year over year in our row homes and townhomes, it's because of the affordability. Don't expect these numbers to go any further down, because our interest rates have gone down as well. So that's going to mean our prices are going to come up. It's as simple as that. Let's quickly touch base into our condos as well. Our apartments and our condos have an average selling price sitting at $191,000 with a month over month decrease of 4.1% and a year over year decrease of 6.0%. Which is typical to see because we've had that higher bracket of $308,000 in our row homes and our townhomes. So why people are starting to push up is because our interest rates have gone down. Their buying power has expanded, meaning they're able to jump into another price bracket, which is a little bit higher, putting a lot of pressure into our row homes and our townhomes. So that's one thing to see why our condo prices have gone slightly down, is because the demand for those has come down as well. So everything does correlate, very, very intertwined with each other in the real estate market. But if you have any questions about your home in particular, again, Manny and I are always available. But we saw the numbers on where the selling prices are sitting at. But let's see where our sales are sitting at.
Well, the thing is, Ashwani, I was listening very careful to you. Like it's stuck in my brain that how a single family home went close to over 15% off.
Yeah.
And then look at this row houses and then townhouses are near about touching 20%. Like it's insane. Like I can see the same, those segments are coming back each time we list that property in that same category. It picked it up by seconds.
Yeah.
Calls are coming like instant that, hey, there's your property is available, not property available. But let's see the numbers. So right now in a whole greater Edmonton, we have a 5,125 properties that are available. That's a total inventory we have it in the first week of November. If we're looking at it, that's a normal. I look at it. So don't get scared that, oh my God, we have so much less inventory. It's a seasonal effect. It's going to happen. So no need to worry. Number two, last month we got 2,934 new properties came in October. 2,934. It went down 6% from last month till now. I'm not worried about it at this moment, but look at that, year to date we got 33,000 property got listed, which is 9.2% is up. That's a direct correlated. If inventory is up, our sales are up. Okay, but again, it's a healthy growing place where we supposed to be. I think that's my feedback. But let's flip side on a sale. So now we saw that inventory came back. Last one, 2,489 property got sold, which is a 10.5% property got up in sales. It's direct correlated to your interest rate. Interest rate went down, price and sales went up. That's direct correlated related. And then year to date we have 25,000 property got sold, which is 38.5% year over year is high up. So that's a sales of 38% sales are up for last year to now.
Wow. We are not slowing down. For everybody saying, oh, the market's going to take a slow turn. You heard it here first. It's not slowing down. And my tip for my buyers, just touching right on what Manny said, if our sales have gone up 10.5% year over year, month over month, not year over year. If from September to October, our sales have gone up 10.5%, it's a big red flag to you guys that your competition has increased. So you are not the only buyer out there at this moment. If you like a home, act fast. It will definitely be getting scooped up right away. Know what you like, have that list, chat with your realtor, really condense what you're looking for and be focused when you're in the market. Your realtor is there to guide you and assist you to get you that best price, terms and conditions possible, but they are also very reliant on making sure that you know what you want. So don't take, as much as we want to say, take your time. Right now is the market where you need to be laser focused, you need to know what you want and be able to act fast on it.
Best tip, Shivani. If I was a first-time home buyer, if I'm watching your video, I snap like this and then definitely act on to it. But let's see the days in the market. What's today's call? Okay, detached homes. Last year we have a 43. This year is 38. Hey, semi-detached. Last year are 47. Now it's sitting at 29. Row houses and townhouses. Last year was 41. Now it's sitting at 35. Apartment and condos, which is like a skyrocketing, going up. Last year was sitting at 61, is sitting at 45 days to sell. And if we accumulated everything in one place, just like all residential, if you want to know, hey, what is time frame it takes to sell in Edmonton? Last year was sitting at 46 days. Now we are sitting at 37 days. Okay, so that is the nutshell for days in the market. I'm gonna giving you my best advice for all the sellers. So if you see that, right? So right now interest rate went down. Market demand goes high up, so inventory is going up, down. So if you are in market to maximize that potential at this moment, it is a good time. I am not telling you that, hey, you sell it right now, but that has to be discussed, fully planned, that why you want to sell it. If you are in a market right now, 100% inventory is low in a certain price bracket point. If you put it in the market, it will snap up like that, which is a better product for you. And then you can pick up on a different price zone or different property you are looking at. That's my best advice for all the sellers, but that tip might be not applicable to every segment. You know that in Edmonton, we have a 4 price. One is a 0 to 250, one is a 250 to 550, one is a 550 to million, and 1 million plus. So I'm not sure which categories you are. If you are looking to have a discussion, call us today. We will be happy to sit down with you. You know the Bagga team is here to help you, guide you. You can make the right decision so you will be in the right path. It's not the point we're just looking at it, but again, because of our two cents, if you make a something better decision, we'll be happy to do that. Is that correct, Shivani?
Absolutely. We're always here to help you. You're most welcome to reach out to us at 780-431-5615 or visit our website, www.mannybagga.com. And don't forget,
Hey. We lost one segment of this whole video. What is that? It's called high rollers. We did not even discuss before you wanted to wrap up.
I forgot about the high rollers. We can't forget about them. Let's see what's going on that top section of the market.
Because we want to trick you. We don't want to finish it, but let's talk. Last month, $4,161,500. That is the most highest detached home got sold. I wanted to share this information with all my viewers. Hey, in Edmonton, we have a $4 million sales. That's so hype for us. And I understand people who are watching in Vancouver, Toronto, they say, this guy BS. No, this is so good information for our Edmonton, okay? So number 2, semi-detached is $725,000, and row houses and townhouses, most expensive, got sold for $682,000. Can you believe it? Apartment and condos? Last month, $1,174,000. That's got sold in Edmonton. That's a record. Close to $1.1 million apartment and condo, over $4 million a single detached home. Hey, that's good news. I wanted to congratulate all the buyers who bought these properties and the people who sold ones. I want to say congratulations to you guys. But let's wrap up, Shivani. So hopefully you guys are watching this video and getting some information. If you guys are, please, I request you, please comment below. Give us a thumbs up. Those comments are increase our momentum so high up so we can be pumped up and bringing you best content for you in next month. Stay blessed, stay tuned, but hey, don't forget.
You can reach us at 780-431-5615 or our website, www.manibagga.com.
Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell button because every day we produce a good content which help you to grow. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. We'll bring you our next stat video next month. Love you guys all.